verbe avec que, that will be followed by l'indicatif, just because normally at this level, after having introduced le subjonctif, many students tend to think that each time we've got a verb that will be constructed with que, it will be automatically followed by the subjunctive form, which is not the case, okay? So we'll see in this video what category of verbs will be constructed with que, and then they will be followed by l'indicatif, okay? And these verbs normally will express la certitude, and then l'opinion, or la déclaration, okay? So certitude, when you are certain or sure about something, l'opinion, when you express your opinion, your point of view, and then la déclaration, if you want to declare something. Okay, so we'll first start with la certitude, and so we'll see the verbs, not all the verbs of course, but then we'll have few examples, and then you will, after that, of course, when you encounter a new verb, try to see whether it's constructed with le subjonctif or then l'indicatif, and try to remember that. Okay, so the first verb or structure would be c'est évident que. C'est évident que. C'est certain que. C'est certain que. C'est sûr que. C'est sûr que. Être sûr que. Être sûr que. Être certain que. Être certain que. Okay, so you can see that I've been, for this form and the second form here, I've been putting this just to put this option of the feminine form. Okay, remember, it would be written like that if it's for the masculine, but then if it's for the feminine form, then you should add at the end this but then phonetically it doesn't change at all. It will be exactly the same sound or the same phonetical thing that you will produce. Okay, so in that case, certain, it's quite interesting because you've got this A-I-N together, and then they will produce this un sound. Okay, so it's nasal in your nose, un. Okay, if you add this at the end, then it will change the thing, and then you will pronounce it n. Okay, so the masculine form, certain, the feminine form, certaine. All right, so let's see them one more time. C'est évident que, c'est certain que, c'est sûr que, être sûr que, so it was the masculine form and the feminine form is the same, être sûr que, okay, but in that case it will be different. Être certain que, this is the masculine form and the feminine form, être certaine que. Okay, and then remember, all these expressions will be followed by l'indicatif. Okay, so we'll see now l'opinion. So if you want to express your point of view or your opinion, then the first one would be penser que, trouver que, croire que, espérer que, avoir l'impression que. All right, so let's see them one more time. Penser que, trouver que, croire que, espérer que, avoir l'impression que. Okay, and so remember that all these verbs will be followed by l'indicatif. Okay? And now the last part, la déclaration. So if you want to declare something, if you want to express something, then savoir que, dire que, répondre que, raconter que, écrire que. Okay, so one more time. Savoir que, dire que, répondre que, raconter que, écrire que, and all these verbs will be followed by l'indicatif.